bursting blueberry crumb cake. Think blueberry crumble plus a beautiful lemon sponge cake. All right, let's do the crumb. Half a cup, 100 grams of sugar, 2/3 of a cup, 100 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, pinch of salt, give it a quick mix. Now pour over melted butter, a little bit of vanilla for flavour, then use a fork to stir it. You actually want it to be lumpy, so just mix until you can no longer see flour. We'll do the blueberries next. We're using 500 grams. That's a whole pound of blueberries.
Zest the lemon first, then keep it for the batter.
A little bit of lemon juice, give it a quick mix. 1.5 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Just give it a quick mix until it's coated, then set it aside. Back to the batter. 200 grams, 1 1/3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, pinch of salt, give it a quick whisk, then set aside. Back to the lemon zest, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, give it a good whisk, 1/3 of a cup of sour cream and butter. Give it another good whisk until it's smooth, like that. Add the flour in 3 batches. When you can no longer see flour, even if there's a few lumps in it, stop there. And now we're going to add some milk. Give it a good final mix until it's all mixed through like that. You see those little lumps? They're not flour lumps, they're lemon zest lumps. All right, let's get this in the oven. Blueberries next. Start from the outside and work your way in. Once they're mostly on, just tip the rest on, spread them out. Okay, crunchy crumb time. Scatter it over. Keep those nice big crumbs. If it's too powdery, scrunch it up like that to bring it together, and then you crumble it on. Okay, let's get it in the oven. So that's gonna take 70 minutes to bake. Check to make sure it's cooked. All right, let it cool. Just run a knife around. The blueberry crumble part is a little bit sweet, but it's mostly the natural sweetness from the blueberries, and it's a bit syrupy, and then you've got that beautiful crunchy topping. And the sponge part is really soft and tender, but it's actually been designed to stand up to the enormous amount of blueberries that we bake on top. That's so good. Proof of crunch. Are you ready? A